In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play Minecraft with friends on Xbox and PlayStation 5. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna showcase how easy it is to do cross-platform multiplayer in Minecraft. So, first, what you have to do is sign in with a Microsoft account. The Microsoft account will be the bridge between you and your friends. So when you open Minecraft, if you haven't signed in with a Microsoft account, you will see the option at the bottom left. So choose sign in. You can also go over to the settings and find the option here. Another thing that I want to highlight is that I am recording this video on the PC version of Minecraft Bedrock, but don't worry, this will work for any platform, so the process is exactly the same. So once you are signed in with a Microsoft account, you will create a custom gamer tag. Now, to add your friends who are on different platforms, go over to play and then choose friends at the top right. You will see all your friends here. Now you have the option to search for friends, and you can search for them using their gamer tag. So look for any friend that you would like to play with. Like I said before, when they create their Microsoft account and sign in, they will be given a gamer tag, and you will be able to look for them and send them a friend request. Once they have done the same or they accept your friend request, then one of you can go ahead and host the world. So go inside of the world where you want to play with your friends. This can either be you hosting or them hosting, it doesn't matter. Once one of you is inside of the world, pause the game at any point and choose the option to invite the game at the top right. Now select the friends that you want to invite and send the invite to them. You will also have the option to add them from this menu here. But basically you select them, they will get a notification on their console, and once they accept, they will join this multiplayer game that you are hosting inside of Minecraft. It is easy to do, and you can play between any versions, so Xbox, PlayStation, PC, mobile, and so on. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, consider subscribing. As you can see, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. If you subscribe, you can help us on the channel make higher quality content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.